Introduce highlight features or overview summary of INHTGEAS wireless trailer lights magnetic. There are features include stable 2.4 GHz wireless connection. INHTGEAS upgraded wireless trailer lights ensure strong, interference-free signal transmission over 100 feet. This wireless tail lights is perfect for long trailers, RVs, boats, and towing vehicles. Secure magnetic and versatile mounting. This magnetic tow lights features a rubber-coated, adjustable magnetic base tested up to 50 mph, plus included iron plates, screws, and wrench for mounting on wood or aluminum surfaces. Ideal for various trailer types. Fast Type-C charging and battery indicator. Wireless tail lights for trailer fully charges in 2.5 hours via USB-C. Built-in battery level display shows runtime estimates, 100%, 9 hours, 50%, 5 hours, 25%, 2 hours. Includes anti-loss steel cable for extra security during use. Ultra-bright LED bulbs with long lifespan. Our wireless trailer lights kit is equipped with high-performance ceramic base bulbs for better brightness and heat dissipation. Delivers visibility up to 1 mile with a 60,000 hours lifespan, perfect for brake, turn, tail, and running lights. IP67 waterproof and all-weather ready. INHTGEAS magnetic trailer lights built to endure harsh conditions with an IP67 waterproof rating and wide operating temperatures from -23 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius. Ideal for towing in rain, snow, or extreme heat. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.